What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips with Chris. We all know the only way to get juice in your Tesla is by charging. There's various plugs you can use to charge your Tesla, like the home charger, a supercharger, a CCS adapter, and a J1772 adapter. But what do you do if your charge port is stuck and it just won't unlock? That's what we're gonna go over quickly today. So first, there are many ways to open your charge port. You can press the button on the charger, you can press the lid, you can even use your app, or you can use the Tesla screen. Or just simply tell your Tesla to open the butthole. Once that's open, you got your charger, make sure the charger is pushed in all the way. If it's not, it won't charge and you'll get an error. Now, unlocking your charge port and removing the charger is as easy as walking up to your car with your Bluetooth phone. As long as the car is unlocked, the charger will come out easily once you press the button. The only exception to this is third-party chargers like J1772 plugs as well as CCS adapters, as it locks only the adapter and not the actual charging device. Which is why I recommend the anti-Karen device, so that it prevents someone from removing the charger from your J1772 plug. For those of you in extremely cold weather, sometimes the charger may freeze into the charge port, or the lid will freeze closed. Luckily, with the new update, you can easily defrost your entire car, handles, charge port, everything in the app. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is go to climate and defrost the entire car. It basically maxes out the heater and turns everything on to try to heat up your entire car as fast as possible. What if there's an actual issue and the charger is just stuck inside the charge port? There is a way to manually unlock the charge port. And the first thing you want to make sure you do is make sure the car is not actively charging. To do that, you can easily stop charging on the Tesla app or on the Tesla screen. Second, for the Model 3 and Model Y and Model X's, you'll see a cutout pattern. Looks like a triangle on the left side inside the trunk. You're looking for a small hole and a small little handle piece. To unlock the charge port, you simply have to pull that handle down and it should unlock. Now again, make sure someone on the other end isn't pulling the cable at the same time you're unlocking. Tesla does say if there's an active charge and you do this, someone could get electrocuted. So make sure you unlock the charge port manually, then go and remove the charger. Now for the Model S, it's very similar, but you get a nice lid, and that's pretty much it. Same exact idea. So there you have it. It's super easy to do. As long as you can find the cable to pull, you're good to go. Just again, make sure you stop charging on the screen or the app, and first unlock the charge port manually, then remove the charger. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.